Hi friends, in the continuation of Agentic AI interview question answer series, we are moving to question number 211. Design an agent that can manage an autonomous warehouse. What design must it make? The agent would need to make decisions about inventory management, deciding where to store new items and which item to retrieve, path planning, optimizing routes for autonomous robots to avoid collision and minimize travel time, task assignment, delegating tasks, example picking, sorting to available robots, scheduling, prioritizing urgent order over standard ones, error handling, rerouting tasks when a robot fails or an item is misplaced. Moving to question number 212. How would you build a personal AI assistant that can make decisions on behalf of the user while maintaining their preferences and boundaries? This requires robust memory system and explicit guardrail memory. A long-term memory like a vector database would store users' preferences, habits, and past decisions. Tools. The agent would have access to tools to perform actions. Example, a calendar API for scheduling. Guardrail. The system would have predefined rules and constraints to prevent it from making decisions outside the user's boundaries. Human in the loop. For high stake or ambiguous decision, the agent would seek user approval. Moving to question number 213. You are tasked with developing an agentic AI for educational tutoring. How do you to ensure it adapts to different student learning styles. Student profile memory. The agent would maintain a memory of each student's performance, strengths, and weakness. Adaptive planning. The agent's reasoning engine would adopt its Turing plan and teaching style. Example, visual example, sarcastic questioning, direct instructions based on students' profile, feedback loop. It would constantly monitor student responses to assess understanding and adjust its approach in real time. Moving to question number 214. If an agent is placed in simulation with unknown rules, how should it learn and act? The agent should prioritize exploration. Its initial action should be designed to gather as much information as possible about the environment's dynamics. It would learn a model of world through trial and error, storing observed rule in its memory and using this evolving model to inform its planning and actions. Moving to question number 215. How would an agent prioritize conflicting goals? Example is speed versus safety. This requires a predefined hierarchical decision-making process. For safety critical systems, safety must be hard constraint that overrides all other goals. The agent's plan would be designed with a cost function that weight uh, different factors, but a safety violation would immediately trigger an emergency stop or human in loop intervention. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel.